No?
Don't grab me.
Oh, are you gonna f me? Oh, dude! Ah! Sonny! Get off me!
On the 13th of May 2024, police received a safety call, but upon arriving at the scene, he was punched in the face by an unknown woman.
For help. What's going on? For what?
I don't know. You want to talk to Jimmy or Donnie?
I don't know. I didn't know what's going on.
Oh, are you scared?
No.
Are you using your gun because you don't know how to use it? Or should I just take it?
Do you want me here or not?
Yes, I want you here. Come
Okay,
on.
for what?
Donnie, come on. I need help.
What do you need help with?
Kick the door.
Who kicked in the door?
He did. Go on. Thank you. No?
Don't grab me.
Oh, are you gonna f me? Oh, dude! Ah! Sonny! Get off me! Get off me! Mother...
17, I need a 42.
Get off me! Ah! Get off me! Get off me!
The initial call for assistance quickly escalated into a chaotic situation when a woman exhibiting signs of distress suddenly attacked the officer.
I can't punch, I'm a woman. Get off.
Albert, Manchester Road.
Get off.
Get your hand behind your back.
Get off. Call the cops.
5 front pulling up.
Alright, I got her detained. I'm okay. I got one with me.
Can you pull my dress up, please?
Yes. What's up?
You kicked in my door and I got scared.
Yeah, I was gonna help you until you punched me.
You punched me first.
I was on an 8 at the intersection up here. I'm gonna go back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, correct, you back.
Yeah, I'm good. I appreciate it.
What's going on?
I got a call for a welfare check.
Oh.
She was screaming and yelling, so I came up and said, "Do you need me?"
Hmm.
Started talking about, like, "Give me your gun." I was like, "No." She said her door got kicked in. So I was gonna check the door.
She said the door was kicked in?
Yeah.
You think I could do that myself?
And she grabbed me and I said, "Don't grab my arm," and then she punched me in right in
You think I
the chin.
could punch him?
Why?
I didn't punch him.
You did
I
punch
don't.
me.
Want my hand be broke?
Well, I doubt it.
Why am I?
You want me to check? You want me to check the house? Is somebody else
You
in
guys the
here?
ones that called? Okay. So they called because she was knocking on the door with a screwdriver.
Oh, so she's unlit.
She was trying to say.
Do you live here?
Hit him with the screwdriver. Yes, I live at 568.
Yeah, she lives in the duplex.
Oh, the other side.
Yeah. I'll get with you.
You think this is wrongful
Yeah.
detention? Because he hit me first? Because I was scared trying to run away?
A quick denial turned into self-inflicted victimhood, with the woman claiming the officer had attacked her first and frightened her. However, she seemed to forget that all officers on duty are equipped with dash cams, and the entire incident was clearly recorded.
To see what was going on.
And then he started punching me and pushed me up there trying to run me.
Oh, get out of here.
Okay.
Do I look new
Is
to
his
you?
face red and
Is
bruised?
this my first day?
Okay,
Come
what
on.
do you want?
You guys have cameras at all? No, okay. Does hers work?
Yeah, because he's been harassing me.
I'm standing right here when that happened.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure a sergeant will want to talk to you. I appreciate it.
Do you want to put her in the cruiser?
Yeah.
We're gonna go sit in the cruiser.
Do
Okay.
you have shoes or anything you want?
No.
No?
Oh, you guys aren't. I'm sitting here.
Huh?
You guys are going to sit in the cruiser and I'm not?
No, you are.
What did I do wrong?
Just head back to my driver's.
He scared me.
Well, you can't just swing on him.
He swung first.
I
And then
don't.
he pushed me against that and almost beat me fall over.
Well,
Do I look like I could punch a grown man?
Well, you did.
no.
So.
What I'm saying is, you did.
No, he didn't.
Well, he's not gonna
So he
lie.
can punch me first and I can't protect myself?
Where'd he punch you?
In my head, my temple.
Well, let's go sit in the
All
car.
right, ready?
You guys can, I'm not.
No, you are.
No.
You are.
No.
Do you need to go to the hospital? What's wrong with
No, I'm fine. Mental issues.
you? You do have mental issues?
So I got confused, you got confused. You seen how big
Can
he
I get
is?
a 32 just to get her checked out?
I'm fine. But you scared me when I got scared by him.
I don't know why you were scared of me. You said you wanted my help,
I
and
did.
I tried
I
helping
did push you.
you. You grabbed my arm and I said, "Don't grab
I was
me."
asking you to help me.
I was
you were
going
scared
to,
too.
but you can't grab onto a police officer.
But you can punch me in the temple.
After you punch me, I can.
I can't. I didn't. Do you
So
think I could
you're
punch
gonna get up and we're gonna
No,
go over to
I'm
the
not.
car. Do you want us to carry you? Because I will drag you if you don't walk on your own.
So that's
You're
normal?
going in the car.
Doesn't that only
Most
happen to
normal
black people?
No, most normal people stand up and walk themselves.
Okay.
You're not gonna walk?
No. I got scared.
He
He's
called
bigger
because
than
you
me.
said you wanted help, and I was gonna come help you. You wanted me to make sure you were okay because you were banging on the door with the
Is he blaming on
screwdriver.
me?
No, I was just coming
I
here
was
to
trying
make
to
sure
put
you're
up
okay.
the U8 on my, so you can see the address, and he came out here yelling at me why I was making so much noise because I couldn't get that off.
I was just here to make sure you're okay.
And I was just trying to tell you I need help, and you didn't want to go in.
Hi, Angela.
Hi.
What's going on?
Wrongful stuff everywhere, I think. Can I get these off now? 'Cause
No, absolutely not.
What's going on?
You scared me.
You've never punched me in the face before. That
I don't
wasn't
know who
very
you
nice.
are.
Huh?
Because I can't punch because I'm a girl. I slap people.
Okay.
Despite being treated kindly, the suspect refused to cooperate and became increasingly uncontrollable. Even upon encountering the officer she had attacked, her attitude remained unchanged.
Alright, well let's get out and go see the
I'm
cruiser.
not going to the cruiser.
Come on, Angela.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Come on, dear.
If anything, your dude did something wrong because you punched me first.
Well, guess what? When the sergeant's gonna come, you can come.
That's
all
fine.
about it.
Okay, bring
Come
him
He's
Ready?
coming.
to my house.
We're gonna go right over to the car.
Despite the officers being nothing but kind to the suspect, including the one she punched in the face, the suspect refuses to cooperate in any manner and grows increasingly stubborn.
I'm
Well,
gonna talk to you over there.
why would I go in the car when I did nothing wrong? Because I was drinking water out of it to feel a little fancy for a minute.
Oh, that's all right. Come on, dear.
No.
Come on. We're not gonna do
I
this.
don't want to get up.
Okay. Well, this is where we're kind of at right now.
Okay?
All right.
I was looking for help.
Okay.
He came, we got confused because I was so scared of him and he's even bigger than him. He's like your size but double wide.
Why are you scared?
Because he was yelling and shrieking at me because I was making too much noise trying to put the new 8 on my address. And I dropped that, ran in my house. It's obviously different than the other new.
Well, at any rate, when the ambulance gets here, you're gonna have to walk over there. So
I'm fine. I don't need the ambulance. I can reject that. Thank you. I decline. I'm fine.
Well, when they get here, you can tell them.
It's fine.
They still have to come.
Yeah. Alright, let's go tell these guys that you don't
they
need
can come to
anything.
me because I'm the one that's hurt, right?
Well, if you're saying you're not hurt, then you have to go tell them.
No, they need to come to me because isn't that how it works? Paramedic comes to me.
Let's not be.
I'm just telling you, isn't that how it happens? Like if I was in a car accident, would they come to me? Or if you were hurt, would they come to you?
Depends. You can walk.
I can't. No.
Why?
Do I have to answer you? No. I plead the fifth.
Despite refusing all assessment and insisting she was unharmed, medical personnel were still called to examine her. Furthermore, because the incident involved police use of force, a sergeant had to be present at the scene to conduct an independent investigation.
My name's TJ. I'm a sergeant with Akron. Anytime officers use force, I come out and do an investigation, okay? You have the right to remain silent, you understand?
Yes, but I'm not. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. Anything you say, so that's a yes?
I have the right, but I'm
You
saying
understand.
it's fine. And I'm not getting arrested because I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Really, look at the camera. I asked him for help.
You have the right to remain silent, correct?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you say can't
You're
only be
gonna
used
ask Jimmy
against...
what happened because he
Hold on.
called.
I will talk to everybody. Anything you say can't only be
You
used
wanna
against...
take his
Hold on.
before?
Can I just get through
You
this?
just said I have the right to remain silent, but I'm not.
I know you're... But I gotta read
Why are
it.
you driving a police car when you're the sergeant?
What do you think sergeants drive?
A sergeant car that's a sergeant on the side.
It doesn't say sergeant on the
Okay.
side. Alright. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Do you understand?
No.
You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. What is going on today?
I got scared because I was trying to put the new number on and he started yelling at me that I was making too much noise.
I tell you what. Can we move her to a cruiser?
No.
The thing
I'm
is,
not arrested, so I don't need to sit in a cruiser.
can we move to these stairs
No.
then? I'm not going to be able to hear with the
I
air
can hear it just
conditioner.
fine, so I don't know why you can't.
Okay. Let's go sit in the cruiser.
No.
We're going to sit in the cruiser. Come on.
No.
Stand up.
I didn't get arrested, so
I'm
you
not
can't
going to be able to
take me.
hear.
That's
I'm not going to be
wrongful.
able to hear my interview.
Because
Anytime I'm by EMS or something like this, when I go to watch my interview, I can't hear anything. Yes, please.
no, I didn't get arrested.
Okay, we'll discuss that. But what I'm saying is, the only reason you're being moved right now is because I'm not going to be able to hear my
So you want to
interview
take
with
these
you.
off since I didn't do anything wrong?
We'll get to that. I got to have a discussion with you first.
About what? Just take them off because I didn't do anything wrong.
We haven't even talked yet.
We're talking. Like you're supposed to do before you arrest somebody, like on cops.
I understand that.
That's what Jimmy caught me.
I'm not arresting you right now.
But
I'm
they're
moving you
telling-
away from the
Jimmy's
air
telling you that
conditioner
you're
so I
doing
can hear
wrong.
our interview.
No.
Let's just stand up. Let's
No.
not do this.
Because I didn't get arrested, so you need to take him off in the first place.
We'll
I
get-
didn't do anything wrong. I was asking for help. No.
We'll get there. We'll get there. Come on.
Right here, stand. Yep.
You can sit on these steps. Is
I
that
can
cool?
stand fine. No.
Let's go.
No.
Come on. Okay. So what is going on today?
I got scared. I was trying to put that fell down.
What fell down?
The 8. So I was putting it on with the screwdriver like it's meant to
Oh,
be.
the 8.
He said I was making too much noise. I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops. And I didn't know what was going on. And I got scared. The cop I thought was for me looking at numbers. I started yelling for him. I said I needed help. So he came up. And then I like grabbed his arm, like put my hand on his arm because I like wouldn't you hold my arm or like not want me. I don't know. I got scared. And then he turned around and punched me. And then I don't remember what happened.
Okay. Did you punch him?
No.
You never hit him.
No.
You only grabbed his arm.
Yes. No, I put my hand on his shoulder because I was scared. He's the cop.
All right. What do you do when you put your hand on his shoulder?
He turned around and I don't even know what happened. He was trying to push me off that thing, like some wrestling move, like my cousin Jimmy. Yeah,
So he punched you in the face. Then what happened?
in my temple, and then I don't remember.
You don't remember anything?
After he punched me, yeah, I just sat down and he started calling people, and then the ambulance came. Yes,
He didn't do anything after that other than put you in handcuffs?
yes, very hardly.
Put you in handcuffs hard?
Yeah, like it went into my skin.
Can you describe how he did it hard?
He grabbed my arms and then made them as tight as he could, so it went into my skin, as you can see. And I didn't even get arrested. I was the one asking for help. Yes, it hurts.
All right. So is there anything that I need to know? So he came here. You thought it was for you. You grabbed him by the shoulder, and then he punched you in the face.
Yes.
That's an accurate
I just
statement.
put my hand on his shoulder. I didn't even like grab him or anything because I was scared.
And then he put you in handcuffs hard,
Like you can see it dug into my skin.
and then you were treated by EMS, and that was it.
There was nothing wrong, so I told him there was nothing wrong and said, okay, have a nice day, Angela. Yes. Or you said Angela and he said Angela. Yes.
So are you not injured then?
No. I just misunderstanding apparently, so I can get the handcuffs off.
I'm gonna take a couple pictures of you real quick.
At this point, the suspect still believed her defense was valid, but for the police, it only made the situation clearer. They didn't have time to argue right or wrong, as the entire incident had been fully recorded by dashcam footage. Everything would be presented in court for review. Shortly afterward, a police car arrived and took the suspect away from the scene.
Come on, dear.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm gonna have you walk over here with this
No, you
officer
can
here.
come over here.
Okay. Well, he's gonna have
So I'm
you
not
walk
even
over
arrested
there.
yet.
I'll have you walk over there, okay?
So why should I listen?
Because
I'm a girl and you can pick me up.
you are under arrest.
For doing what?
Well, that's what all did you under arrest for?
Is you just gonna believe him?
Come on, dear. Let's not make this worse than it needs to be. I have always treated you with respect.
I don't even know you. How am I supposed to know you?
What do
I
you
said
mean?
Jimmy.
I have always, every single time I've been here, I've treated you with respect. Let's not ruin that with
what?
being silly right now.
How am I being silly?
Because I'm asking you to
I'm
go over this.
voicing
You
my
are-
rights. Like, isn't
you
that the
are-
democracy and the police system and the judicial system?
You are under
Did you
arrest.
tell me a few things or two?
Okay, you are under arrest.
For what?
Can someone please tell her?
You're under arrest for assaulting a police
All I
officer.
did was grab your shoulder because I was
Because you
scared.
punched me in the mouth.
you
So
punched
that's
me
what you're.
first.
I did not. But
Yes.
we're not going to argue it because that's
No,
what court's
I'm
for.
arguing.
So
So this is what we're gonna do: is we're gonna walk right over here to this vehicle over here, and we're gonna get into the side over there where
I
he
can't
has
walk
the
'cause
ramp
I'm
down.
scared.
Well, okay. Well, then I will help you over there. That's not a problem.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm very willing to help you, but I don't want to do. I don't want to do this. This is silly.
This is silly because I'm voicing my rights and what happened. You can look on the video camera thing.
What video camera
You
thing?
hit me. Isn't that what the body cams are for?
All right. It is. It is.
But you can't hit us and not expect to get hit.
You hit me first.
It's not what the
And
body
you
is.
did a wrestling move.
Here's the thing. You're going, nothing's going to change it. We don't want to argue or fight with you any further, okay?
Why aren't you looking at me?
Because I'm thinking, court is where you argue this. We're not arguing
No,
it here.
I didn't do
Nothing's-
anything wrong.
Please just walk to the wagon
No.
for us.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. Well, then we're gonna walk down.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Same thing that we did before. Ready?
Take them off.
We're gonna go together. Oh, I'm gonna walk nicely down here. Let's go around the front.
What's your head, please?
Am I supposed to put my cell phone?
Yeah, come on. I'm gonna help you. Watch your hand on your hand. Have a seat.
The woman was charged with assault and resisting arrest. What are your thoughts on this case? Please comment below.